Clamp it to the windshield of your boat. Going to the lake. Clamp it to the windshield of your boat. Yeah, that's a good idea. Or to your chair next to you on the boat. Clamp this. Your car doesn't have a air conditioner. For some reason it's not working. Just clamp this to your window. Clamp it to the headrest. It doesn't matter. It'll clamp to anything under an inch and a half and under. Because it clearly easily clamps to a 2x4, which is 1.5 inches. But one of the things that I'm going to tell you that I thought of, I don't think any other of the reviews on this thought of this idea. Your spouse or significant other. Everybody has their own sleep pattern. You like to have a fan running. She doesn't. Or he doesn't. Or they don't. Whatever you prefer. Clamp this to your headboard that only puts a fan on you, not on her or him or it. A personal fan for when you go to bed that won't disturb your significant other or your partner. That's what I think it's going to be good for.